Terry's a registered childminder. She does a lot to promote childminding, both locally and nationally, and a really positive key member of the childminding community in Wales. The care that Terry provides not only supports positive outcomes for children, but it supports the wider family.
I see myself as someone who is here to make the wishes, dreams, interests of the children come to life and to help them become emotionally literate, interested, curious learners.
I don't see Terry as a childminder, I see her as a friend, and I think that's how the children view her as well. Certainly my daughter, I don't think she even realises that she's coming to a childminder. She thinks that she's going to her best friend's house for the day.
There's been many people that have made me feel like I'm worth something and like that I have something to say and that I have something to contribute. And I want to be that person for these children, for these families.
My little boy came to Terry's for 9 months. We lost him, he passed away a couple of years ago. On his birthday last year, not only had she remembered that it was his birthday, but she'd been talking about him with the children that were here that day who knew him. They'd been talking about what he liked and what they remembered about him, and he liked strawberries and tractors. And so the children and Terry had made a strawberry birthday cake for him and made tractor birthday cards. And, you know, she didn't have to do that. It just went far above and beyond what you would expect of a childminder. It's because she cares and she loves the children that are with her. And I don't think she even realises how much that means to me.